Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find blocked user settings on your account on Telegram, easy and quick. First click on these three lines and now click settings. Now click privacy and security, and here you will find it block users settings. Click on it, and here you can manage your blocked user settings easy and quick. And that's it for today. That's how to find blocked users on your account on Telegram, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.